this video, we will explain what X Mode is, and how this standard feature functions in the 2019 Subaru Ascent. X Mode combines various driving aids to give the driver more control in slippery road conditions. It utilizes all vehicle control functions to maintain control and momentum in the worst conditions by sending power to all four wheels, adjusting it wheel to wheel depending on where the most traction is available. To engage X Mode, press the X Mode switch, located in front of the gear lever. You will see the X Mode indicator icon in the combination meter display when the feature is enabled. To turn it off, push the X Mode switch again. X Mode can only be activated while driving under 40 km per hour. When X Mode is turned on, the multifunction display screen switches to the prevention safety screen. From there, the telltale screen, steering angle, vehicle position, and running condition illustrations can be viewed. These screens display the driving status of the vehicle and the operation status functions. The accompanying hill descent control function works to keep the vehicle at a consistent speed while driving downhill. If the vehicle speed is likely to increase, the brake control system will activate to maintain the current speed, up to 20 km per hour. X Mode gives the driver more control on rough terrain and slippery surfaces, and is standard across all Ascent trim levels.